In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. This is an essential task for anyone managing email marketing campaigns, as it allows your recipients to opt out easily, ensuring compliance with email marketing regulations and maintaining good customer relationships. First, start by heading over to Klaviyo's website. Once there, log in using your credentials. This will take you to the Klaviyo dashboard, which is your main hub for managing all your campaigns and flows. Now in the dashboard, you'll want to locate the section for campaigns or flows, depending on where you plan to add the unsubscribe link. This feature allows you to control whether you're working on a one-time campaign or a more automated sequence in flows. Choose the specific campaign or flow where the unsubscribe link should be included. After making your selection, click on Edit Email. This will open up the email editor, which is a robust tool for customizing your email content. The editor is user-friendly, providing a drag and drop interface that makes it easier to adjust layouts and add new elements. Within the email editor, identify and select the text block where you'd like the unsubscribe link to appear. Try to choose a spot where it's clearly visible and positioned appropriately with your content. Type a message such as, "If you'd like to unsubscribe, click here, unsubscribe link." It's important to be clear and direct so recipients understand how to opt out if they wish. Next, highlight the words "click here" in your message. After highlighting, click on the link icon in the toolbar above. Here you will insert the code /unsubscribe/link as the URL. This placeholder will automatically generate the correct unsubscribe link for your recipients. For more advanced users who are comfortable with coding, clicking on source or edit code allows you to make more precise changes. There, you can add the following HTML snippet, unsubscribe. Incorporating this code directly provides another method to embed the link reliably. With everything set up, it's crucial to test the link to ensure it functions properly. Click on Preview to check how the email will appear to recipients, making sure the unsubscribe link is both visible and operational. After confirming visually, send a test email to yourself or a colleague. This step is important to verify that everything looks right and that the unsubscribe function works as intended. Once you're satisfied that the link is correct and properly functioning, finalize your changes by clicking Save and Exit. Your email will now include an unsubscribe link, maintaining compliance and respecting your subscribers' preferences. And there you have it. Adding an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo is a straightforward process that will enhance your email campaigns and promote best practices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips on optimizing your email marketing strategy.